How to automatically copy response in Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short and simple tutorial. In this easy tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can automatically copy responses from Qwen AI. So to enable this particular setting, first head on to chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for Qwen Studios. And once you are here, you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then from here, select the settings option, and within settings, click onto interface. Now within the interface, you will see the second option that says auto copy response to clipboard. So simply enable this option and it will give you a prompt within the browser which says that chat.qwen.ai wants to see text and images copied to the clipboard. You will need to allow it, and once you do this, you can see that the auto copy response to clipboard has been successfully enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.